And this is where we're going to sleep tonight. It's right beside the 98, the highway. So I hope there's not a lot of traffic, but we'll see. It's a nice spot. And they got a Dixie for us. And most important, you are here. And it's for free. And there's a private beach. What else do you need? If you want, you can sleep in the lodge on this state park. And there's Steve Irwin. Don't let him bite you. You see, he is alive. Now he's mad and I have to go to your side. That's not that smart. Yeah, go away. He's cool. Wakulla Springs State Park is a very nice park. You have a long walking trail from 6 miles and then you have to walk back, so 12 miles in total. They have
not in total.
Yeah, in total.
No.
They have boat tours. You can swim in the pond. And what else do they have?
Vending machines. They have a lodge where you can spend the night. There's a big lake. And we just walked through the forest where some parts of the movie Tarzan was taken. And there are some
snakes.
Sinkholes. Snakes, yeah, snakes. And the trail was 6 miles
I just
one way.
told it.
And
yeah, and
then back another 6 miles.
So that's 12. I just
12
told
in total.
it.
Oh, I thought you said it's 6.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, that's it. Oh wait, and it's $6 to get in. There is the alligator, and over here you can swim, but it's okay because he can't pass the line. I think he can.
This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream water.